Holy guys, this is the my Lian unboxing for the first time casing, bro. Yes, let's unbox and the pre-cutting, okay? Oh my god, thank you, bro. Thank you, Mr. Lian Lee, purchase for you, bro. Okay, now this is the flap open, glass top side. I'm the happy, very secure packaging, very good guys delivering, and they were happy that I was motor. Okay. Bismillah. Now this is the tough part, but easy for me. I'm not travel like Mahu. Okay. This is the unbox. Yeah. পৃথিবী সুন্দর, আমিও সুন্দর. Hey. Okay guys, now I carry you. Okay, this is the foam very thick, very thick foam. Okay, this is the power supply vent. Oh my god, very big power supply, bro. This is the side window which I love. Okay, let's just open ourselves. How open? Oh, okay, this side filling and opening. Yes, case is the, oh, what a mesh, bro, what a mesh. Is the removable? I hope so. Yes, magnetic removable mesh. Whoa, very tight fit. Oh, this is a very tight fit. I love, but lagaite to কেমন জানি লাগে. Oh, লাগছে ঠিক আছে. Okay, thank you guys for patience. This is the very tough for one-handed, bro. I'm the one hand injuries the camera myself. Now I the casing soja. Unbox. Holy moly, what the unnecessary packaging. Now I feel like this is a casing myself. I am a casing, my casing is myself. Whoa. Yes, this is the looks, bro. This is the views, bro. This is the fronts, bro. And this looks more clean than the one we saw in IDB, which was the display case, bro. Display case, always bad. Let me tell you, one power button, one USB 3, and 2 headphone and microphone jack, USB type C. Okay, I'm the very happy. Now these unassembly partings. This is the one thumb screw. I love removing these screws, and this is a very clever locking mechanism. I cannot remove the screws fully, so no lost chance. Oh, this is the very smooth experience. Okay, another mesh, another magnetic mesh. So this is a very dust proof. And do I need both hands? Okay, let me take out the glass. Bro, you see, the glass is thick. Glass is more thick than the casing, bro. I'm just a little bit concerned about the glass quality. But now you see, this is this many space. Huh? Ek bigha na? Yes, ek bigha space, bro. And this is the cable management space, bro. More than my middle finger. Oh, this looks more beautiful than myself, and I am happy about it. Front glass. Okay, let's open, but please don't break. Bismillah. Yes, front glass open also. Now this is a khali case, another mesh. Oh, let's open the other side too. I am planning to install my fans and vertical GPU mount before shipping this out to Bogura, because I don't think I should send them separately. It will cost me 200 টাকা more. Okay, let me take out the other side and I will be back. Okay, this is the other side. You see two mesh, bro. This is the very mashing and smashing magnetic mesh, very ventilation. I am the in love. This is beautiful, this is beautiful. Now other side is the, let's see. Okay, this is a hard drive cage, but I can remove it and place another power supply if I get mad. This is the power supply mounting location. Removing this will reveal the cables, and this also holds 1, 2, 3 SSD or small form factor hard disk drive. I'm very happy with the case. I think I'm gonna cry and stop the video now. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you some other day. Allah Hafiz, tata, bye bye.